Hello and welcome. So we have this question on basic algebra and we're going to quickly do this in the next 2 minutes. So the first thing we have is y plus y plus y. Now can we add this term together? Yes, we can. And the reason is because they are similar terms, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a 1 in front of these letters. The reason why I'm doing that is for those that are not really familiar with the idea of adding values like this in math concept. So the reason why we are adding the 1 is because I know 1 multiplied by y is going to give me y. So 1y add 1y add 1y is going to give me 3y. So we have 3y. So to the second question, we have y. The dot here means multiplication. So y times y times y. So what you just do, you can add 1 at the power. So you have y to the power of 1, y is to the power of 1, y is to the power of 1. So when you multiply this, all you need to do is use your idea of law of indices. And what you do when you have multiplication as such is you add these together. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, that gives me 3. Right, so for this, what you just get to check is, are they similar terms? So if they are similar terms, it simply means you can add them together. So how do you know they are similar terms? You see, you have y raised to the power 6 here and y raised to the power 6 here. So that means I can actually add them together. So 6 plus 2 is going to give me 8, and then I have y raised to the power 6. It's more like saying I have 6 cookies plus 2 cookies, and what I have together at the end of the day is just 8 cookies. So the same thing to this, you check if they are similar terms, right? They are similar because I have y raised to the power 6, y raised to the power 6. So I'm just going to do 6 minus 2, and that gives me 4y to the power of 6. I'm going to use the idea with chocolate again. You have 6 chocolate, and then you're taking away 2 chocolate. So you're going to be left with 4 chocolates, right? Great. So question 5, we have 6y to the power of 6 divided by 2y to the power of 3. Now for this, you have to be extremely careful. So you do 6 divided by 2, that gives you 3. Then by the law of indices, you check. This is y raised to the power 6, y raised to the power 3. That means you can actually go ahead to do what we want to do now. So this will be y. Then because you are doing a division, you subtract the power. So you have 6 minus 3, and that gives us 3. To do the sixth one, all you need to do is use the power inside to multiply the power outside. So what does that give you? That gives you y raised to the power 2 times 3 is 6. Now, please take note. The way you approach this is different if say you have a term in this. I'm going to take that in my next video, so you're going to see how that is done. So this question 7 is for you to solve. I want you to tell me what the answer is going to be in the comment section. I'm going to see you on the next one. Bye.